I just need you back. Apartment 416, yeah. Just for your attention, I work hard for it. For you to call me up right now, girl, I recover. And I realize that
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Petalisbless, and I'm coming on today to share with you a canvas art painting, and we'll be using some crushed glass. So here are the items that we'll be using for today's DIY, and they will be listed down below for you guys to see where I got them from. So if you're ready to see how we do this DIY, you know what time it is. It's time to grab your tea/coffee and a donut and a muffin to go with that, and let's get started. Alright everyone, we have our canvas here, and the canvas we're using today is 18 by 24, and I also have some blue paint, some silver paint, and some white acrylic paint also. So I'm just going to sprinkle the paint, and then we are just going to use our paintbrush and spread it along our canvas. And if this is your first time on my channel, I'd like to say welcome. And I hope you will hit that subscribe button and hit the bell twice so you'll be notified every time I do another DIY to share. And if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And to my glamsters, hey! Thanks for clicking on today's video and seeing the DIY that I have to share. And now on the other side of our canvas, we'll be adding our silver paint. And we're just going to do the same thing, spread it out everywhere on our canvas. It's very easy. This canvas painting, it's not hard at all. No skills, no nothing. Oh, I spilled a little bit here. I'll just clean it up with some more blue paint when I'm finished. But like I was saying, the canvas art is so easy to do. No mistakes. Take any colors you like, blend them in, and we're going to continue on with our decor. And this step is optional, but I'm going to add some white into the middle to spread it back into the silver and into the blue a little bit more.
nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. Crazy. When I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me.
And now that it's all dry, a few hours later, we are going to add some mirrors I got from the Dollar Tree. I believe, I'm not sure if these mirrors are 5x5 or 4x4. They're a little smaller than the ones that we had before, but it's the mirrors I got from the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to use some E6000 and some hot glue and glue down our mirrors. Alright, now our mirrors are all glued down. We are going to use some blue crushed glass and the silver crushed glass, or the white or clear, whichever word you want to class it as, it's fine. And I'm going to use some silver glitter and some Mod Podge.
Say that you don't need a man, but I'm seeing all these different men. Girl, what is you saying? You said right now that I'm not what you're looking for, but it looks like you need me now, you need me now. Girl, why is it so hard to tell me the truth? You didn't want me, no. Girl, I need you. Oh,
Now we're going to do the same thing up top, adding our silver crushed glass.
I need you now, now. I need you now, now. Know that I like.
And after I'm all done, I'm just going to set it aside to dry for a few hours.
I know that I lied. I know that I lied, but I won't lie to her.
And now it's a few hours later, and our crushed glass is all dry, so we're going to seal it in with some more Mod Podge. over the top.
You know, you.
I added some blue glitter to the bottom of the canvas, as you can see here, but I lost the footage. I don't know what happened to it, but it didn't record. So it was just blue glitter mixed with the Mod Podge, and I just added it to the canvas. And at the top, I did the same thing with the silver glitter, mixing it with the Mod Podge and add it to the top over the gray part, over the gray painting. Yeah. And now I'm just adding some silver glitter. And I will be adding some blue glitter too. And now I'm going to do the same thing for the top part of the canvas, sealing in the silver crushed glass. When I'm done, I'll be setting the painting aside to dry. Now I had my painting dry overnight, so everything is all nice and dry. So now I'm going to add these bigger, the blue crushed glass to the top part of the canvas because they have a little bigger chunks. So I'm just going to place it down where I want them, and then I'll be using the hot glue and just glue them down. And here is our finished look. I think it looks very nice. I love how the blue and silver look together. And I love it with the mirrors. I like how the mirrors look on the canvas. It's very nice. Look at the glitter and the crushed pieces. Don't they look nice? I think they look beautiful. I love using the crushed glass, and I do get my crushed glass from Michael's. And here's another way that you can hang the canvas. You can have it straight going down or across like how I had it before. Both ways look absolutely lovely. And I did hang up my wall decor with command strips. Yep. I use 6 large command strips that I get from Walmart. I'm not sure if other places have it, but I do get mine from Walmart. And I do like how it looks hanging in this direction too. I think it looks very nice. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY Glam mirrored canvas painting with crushed glass, blue and silver. Yeah, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And if today's your first time, again, welcome. And I do hope you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell twice so you can become part of our Glamster team. And I hope you guys all give me a thumbs up for today's DIY. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.